All right, so we are here at the trading post and we are going to do the park-led boat tour. So that's what this video will be about. I hope you guys enjoy. Okay friends, so I know a lot of you love to hear what the guides have to say in some of our trips. Unfortunately, the outboard just was too much for the camera. In reality, it was hard to hear Alex in real life, but I hope you enjoy this video. I hope you enjoyed the sights of the Okefenokee Blackwater Refuge. It's gorgeous down there, and always remember, this is what it would have looked like when the dinosaurs roamed the earth. So I'm gonna put a little music to this video. I hope you enjoy.
Thank you, John, I appreciate it.
Okay friends, I hope you enjoyed the boat tour of the Okefenokee. We had a really great time. Highly suggest taking one of the boat tours. They're relatively inexpensive. I think adults are $15 and it's a couple of hours. It was great. Alex, he did a great job. If you get a chance to ask for a specific person, maybe ask for Alex. But yeah, I really suggest doing one of the boat tours. I hope you enjoyed today's video. If you did, don't forget to subscribe.